Before the universe existed, concepts like space and time, as we know them, may have had no meaning. There was no light, no matter, and no physical laws. What existed could have been a singular, timeless state, beyond comprehension, a pre-universe condition, where cause and effect were undefined, and reality itself was waiting to emerge. Some cosmologists propose a quantum vacuum existed before the Big Bang. This vacuum was not empty in a classical sense, but a seething field of potential. Energy fluctuations in this field could spontaneously give rise to space, time, and matter, forming the universe we now observe. The notion of before the universe is complex. Time itself may have begun with the Big Bang. Asking what came first might be meaningless, because without time, there was no sequence. Number past or future, only a singular, timeless potential for existence. In certain theories, multiple universes coexist in a higher dimensional space. Before our universe began, it may have been a tiny fluctuation within a vast multiverse. Our Big Bang could have been just one of countless events in an eternal landscape of universes. String theory suggests pre-Big Bang conditions involved tiny vibrating strings of energy. These strings existed in higher dimensions and carried the seeds of matter and forces that would later shape our universe. Before the beginning, reality may have been a compact, multi-dimensional state. Some models propose a cyclic universe. Time and space expand and contract endlessly. What existed before our Big Bang could have been the remnants of a prior universe, collapsed and compressed into a singularity that ignited the next cosmic cycle. Before the Big Bang, energy may have existed in a pure and differentiated form. No atoms, no particles, only energy fields at maximum potential. This primordial energy held the blueprint of all forces and structures yet to form in our universe. In the realm of quantum cosmology, nothing is unstable. Even in a void, spontaneous events can occur. The universe could emerge from such instability, meaning that before everything existed, there may have been a highly dynamic nothingness, full of latent possibilities. Time before the universe may have been nonlinear or multidimensional. Events could exist without sequence, and causality may not apply. The pre-universe realm could have been a timeless soup of probabilities, from which our reality crystallized. Some philosophers suggest that before the beginning, existence itself was latent. Potentiality existed without actuality. The universe was contained in a metaphysical state, where all possibilities were present but none manifested. Until the Big Bang, before space existed, there was no distance or dimension. Any concept of location is meaningless in a pre-universe state. Reality may have been an undifferentiated singularity, where all points were one, and separation was impossible. Dark energy may have been a fundamental feature from the very start. Its presence could have shaped the emergence of space and time. Even before the universe began, forces like dark energy could have existed as pure potential, guiding the initial expansion. 13. In some speculative models, consciousness or information could precede matter. The laws of physics themselves may have emerged from an underlying informational structure. Before everything, the universe may have been encoded in a cosmic pattern awaiting manifestation. The first instant of existence may have been chaotic beyond understanding. Quantum foam, extreme energy, and fluctuating fields could have combined to create a spark of creation. Before the universe, the stage was set for matter, space, and time to unfold. Before everything, the universe may have existed as a singularity, infinitely small, dense, and hot. Space and time compressed into one point. This singularity contained all energy and potential, ready to explode into the cosmos we now inhabit. Ultimately, what existed before the beginning defies conventional thought. Time, space, and matter may have been absent, replaced by potential, energy, or a higher dimensional pre-reality. The universe's birth represents the transition from incomprehensible pre-existence to observable reality.